cooking video of mine. So in today's video, I'm gonna be cooking one of my favorite dish from Sierra Leone. You know what time is it? So let me know what's your own favorite dish from Sierra Leone. Comment below and maybe I might just cook it. Majority carries the vote down. So let me know. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, share, and above all, subscribe. Where my Sierra Leoneans at, huh? Come out, come support your girl. I'm gonna be cooking potato leaves, so come out. So all you need to do is to just watch me go through the process and alright guys, so these are my ingredients that you can get from any African store. So that is my smoked chicken, already washed and colored. And this is my palm oil. This is 1.5 cup of palm oil. This is my peppers, which I'm gonna be blending. And that's my onions slice. I'm gonna be blending that as well. And that's my smoked fish. And this is my potato leaves in the park. And these are my seasoning, my salt, my maggi, and I have my ogiri and my chicken stork. So this is it guys, so let's just go into it. And yeah guys, so this is my first step. I am going to put my chicken and let it boil with salt for good amounts, and because this is hard, so I am just going to let it cook, and I pour my salt on it and let it cook. So you can actually put this all together with your boil, but I decided to do this separate, so yeah, you're gonna see for yourself. So let's just get to it, or stay tuned.